Hi children, so we are going to continue our reading session. Okay, take page number 75. Okay, adaptations. Changes in the feature or behavior of an organism that help it to survive in its habitat are called adaptations. Different types of animals show different types of adaptations. It may be in their body coverings, their organs for breathing, their ways of movement, or their eating habits. First one, body coverings. An animal's body covering helps it to live in a particular habitat. Body coverings of some animals are shown in the figure below. Bodies of birds are covered with feathers which help to keep them warm. The body of a bear is covered with fur to keep it warm. Crocodile has thick plate-like scales. Beetles have a hard outer covering called cuticle that protects the soft body. Body of fish is covered with scales. Tortoise and snail have a shell to protect their soft and delicate bodies. Next, scales. Fish are covered with a layer of flexible, overlapping scales. The bodies of reptiles, such as snakes, crocodiles, and lizards, too are covered with scales. Most reptiles have horny scales that prevent loss of water from their bodies. Snakes also shed their skin periodically, which is replaced by a new one. Shedding of skin to acquire a new one is called molting. Okay children, next page. Shell. Animals such as snails, tortoise and turtles are protected by a shell. When these animals sense danger, they withdraw their head and feet into the shell. Wool or fur. Mammals such as the sheep and bear have special body coverings. A sheep's body is covered with wool and a bear's body is covered with fur. These coverings protect them from rain and cold. Feathers. Birds have feathers as their body covering. Wings are covered with feathers that help them to fly. They also protect the birds from rain and cold. Next, camouflage. Children, it's very important. Camouflage. Body coverings of some animals match their surroundings. This mechanism is called camouflage. It makes the animal hard to spot and protects it from enemies. Some animals, example chameleon, can even change their body color to match the surroundings. Okay. Next, it's given two fact files there. First one, shark's teeth are actually modified scales. So scales you are already knowing that reptiles are having on their body. So that scales, modified scales is actually shark's teeth. Okay. The next one, the porcupine's body. Porcupine means mullampanni. Its body is covered with sharp spines. Spines means mulla. These spines can give painful wounds to its enemies. So whenever the enemy come to attack them, they will just use their spines to protect themselves. Okay. Okay. Next, page number 77. Organs for breathing. Different types of animals have different organs for breathing. Human beings and sheep breathe through their nose. From the nose, air is carried to special organs called lungs. Fish have special structures called gills through which they breathe. Frogs and earthworms breathe through their moist skin. Frogs also breathe through lungs when on land. Insects such as grasshoppers and cockroaches breathe with the help of a series of tiny holes along the sides of their bodies. These holes are called spiracles. So children, we are stopping here. So the next session we will be reading in the next class. Okay. Take care. Bye.